Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be replacing the license plate clips on the back valance on our 1966 Mustang. So stick around if you'd like to see how we did it. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be popping these out of the old valance. These are the plastic clips that allow you to screw your license plate into the car. And then we're also going to be replacing these rubber bumpers right here for the bottom. So let's get to it. So to go on ahead and get these clips out here, it looks like you can just press them closed a little bit and they should just pop right on out. So there they are. Right here is where we're going to be installing these clips out of our old valance right here. So you just go ahead and get it right there and press it on in. And then same thing goes for this side right here. That's all there is to it for that. And then I got a new set of these little bumper pads, or these little pads for the license plate to keep it from vibrating. So we'll install those next. When you go to install these right here, you're going to have a smaller side, a bigger side, and a smaller side. The smaller side goes in to the back. Gets pressed in first. Hey guys, alright, so that's all there is to replacing the license plate clips and the bumpers to mount the license plate to the car. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the channel. It greatly helps out, and we'll see you in the next project. Thanks.